to the acoustic set.
Baby, 'cause you're the one that I love.
Reaching up to the solar system, we flying over, bullshit, we flying over, supernatural love up in the air. Are you ready for it?
Oh my God.
It's a miracle that they let us do this. But I mean, when we would talk about it, I'd say, I think we just have to confront everything about it head on.
The enthusiasm people have shown all around the world, the amount of dudes that are showing up for this movie, I'm thrilled.